Di ba? Ito kay Ontiveros para ano, sobra ito, hindi maganda ito. Kung totoo ito kung totoo ito, hindi maganda ito matakip isang senador. At saka dami pang
This is
involved dyan.
whatever
Na-involved dyan yung sinasabi, si Torre, nandun din daw. At
This
saka
is
yung Office of
your
the
hair.
President through the Office of the
This
Special
is
Assistant to
your
the
hair.
President. So, ibig sabihin, this
And
is
you do
a organized, di ba? Organized propaganda,
then
organized
your
na
heart
i-discredit
goes
ang Vice
there and
President
take a photo.
of the Republic. Organisado ito. At damay nga din po mismo etong si Pastor Kibuloy at si Pangulong Duterte. Ako sa tingin
This
ko
is
talaga na
how
may
you got
target
the
here is
photo
Sara
that
Duterte.
you make.
Alam naman nilang
I'm
si
gonna.
Duterte di natatakbo.
I don't know,
Si Pastor naman, hindi naman
but
talaga politician
this is
yan, di ba?
a
So,
fun
ang talagang
thing.
target nila dito si VP Sara Duterte. Kaya lang,
It's called fun
hindi
thing.
nila mahuli-huli si VP. Wala silang
So,
makuha.
Papa, this is what
Siyempre,
I'm
paano ka ba
supposed
naman
to.
mahuhuli
I
kung wala
hope
ka
you
namang
speak
makukuha
it, but
ebidensya?
don't
O, pinus nila ng pinus yung
disrespect
confidential fund. Wala namang kwenta.
competition.
O, niratrak
So,
nila yan sa kamara. Nagbayad pa sila ng
I'm from the
150 million
So,
din
you
sa mga
need to shut up
congressman
and
bawat
don't
para lang
talk
pumirma.
about it.
Hindi rin naman ginanyo.
Disrespect.
Dahil sumabit
If
dahil sa
you do talk
hindi
about
dumaan
that,
sa tamang
don't know
proseso.
what is in the
Ngayon,
DVD because
eto
that's
na,
the
di ba?
police,
Isahin
man.
mo ito sa gagamitin. Sana.
Watching.
Sila
No,
yung
no.
kasi sinabi
You
doon
see
eh.
that?
O isama mo yung
Sue.
binigyan mo ng
Sui.
sako-sako na baril si Bibi Sara Duterte.
DJ.
Alam mo kasi,